Hello students, I hope you are all fine and fit and utilizing the time in studies. I am Shankhamitra Miss here. In this video, I will be discussing the story in your class 4 English literature syllabus, The Little Boy Who Saved Holland. It is a story about a 10-year-old boy, Hans Brinker, who lived in Haarlem. Haarlem is a city in Holland, formerly known as the Netherlands. Hans Brinker was a bright, friendly, caring and selfless boy who always wished to share everything he had. He lived with his father and his mother. His father worked at the dike. Now what is a dike? A dike is a slope or wall built on the bank of a river or canal to prevent floods. His father's job was to open and close their large gates at the entrance of the canals to control the flow of water. He had to close the gates very carefully and timely at night, otherwise the water soon overflow and would change it into a destructive flood. A big part of Holland was lower than the sea level, and Hollanders used heaps of soil to save their lands and construct dikes and barriers. So Hans' father's job was extremely important and valuable because a moment's neglect could cause a shattering flood and devastation. Now students, we know a lot about Hans' family. Now we will talk about the particular day when the incident happened. It was a bright spring day. Hans' mother made the day happier by preparing his favorite cake. He ate some of it and didn't forget about the poor blind friend who lived on the other side of the dike. He decided to share his cake with the man too. Hans promised his father to return soon and took the basket of cake and went to meet his friend. The old man was joyful to have the cake. Hans spent 1 hour there and then he was on his way back to home. There was beautiful, attractive wild flowers on the grassy banks beside the dike. Hans plucked a bunch of them for his mother. He was returning home content and was humming a happy song. Along the canal, he thought about his father's careful and strong job who contributed every day for keeping his country safe. If he didn't, the amazing and productive fields would soon be hidden under the angry waters. Hans assumed that the water was angry with his father for keeping them out for a long time. He also listened to the secret sound of a rabbit in the grass and he smiled, recalling his friend's cheerful face. Suddenly he noticed the setting sun and found the blue flowers to be turned into grey as it was growing dark. Instantly his ears caught the sound of the trickling water. He looked up and encountered a small hole in the dike. A tiny stream of water was flowing through it. Hans realized that the leak would soon outcome as an awful flood. But this brave little fellow accepted his duty and reached the leak with a lot of trouble. He thrust his chubby little finger in the hole and decided he would not let Haarlem drown as he was there. The falling night brought chilly cold with it. Hans called for his mother and the villagers loudly. His chattered teeth did not let him whistle, but his utmost determination made him conquer his body ache and sleep till daylight, even in that piercing cold. Our little angel sat upon a stone halfway up the dike and awaiting someone to come. His willpower helped him not to draw away his finger. Hans seized the leak and prevented the angry waters from rushing forth over his town. At daybreak, a laborer was returning from work and found a child twisting with pain. All the villagers came hurriedly to take care of the situation further. The country Holland is indebted and thankful to their brave little hero as he protected his country from destruction. I hope this video has helped you to understand the chapter better. Now you need to read and prepare the chapter carefully and go through each and every line of the story. All the best.